Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by DSoar hair, I believe. I did cut their hair, so yeah. So right now I'm just basically adjusting the wig. As you guys can see, they have a really nice frontal, especially for deeper tones, and their frontal is really thin as well, so I really love that. As you guys know, I'm just going to use my Got To Be spray and basically just lay down this wig. So as you guys can see, this lace, I love it. It's really easy to melt and it literally just looks like it's coming out my scalp. And this video is really up close because I wanted you guys to see how this frontal is. Like, it's just so thin, and the thinner the frontal, the better it looks. So shout out to DSoar hair because I'm really impressed with this frontal. I'm not gonna lie, I could have cut it better, but yeah, I'm learning, guys. Also, this frontal, guys, it came pre-plucked. As you guys can see, I really appreciate that because I'm not really good at plucking. So yeah, thanks DSoar hair, because a girl like me would have just struggled. So right now I'm just gonna go over with the Got To Be spray and just carry on that process until the whole wig is laid down. Look at that frontal, guys. Like, it literally is the same skin tone as me, like my skin tone, and I don't find that in many frontals. So yeah, sometimes they are quite light, but I really F with this frontal. It made life easier for me. I just sprayed, pat, and it was good to go. So right now, guys, I'm just cutting some baby hairs because yeah, I need baby hairs in all of my wigs. That's just how I like it. If you don't like it, you can skip this step, but yeah, this is how I like my wigs. So I like to do 2 swoops on the side and just kind of sort out the sideburns. I try to make it look as natural as possible and how I would wear my natural hair. So yeah, that's how I do it. Right now I'm just applying some water onto this wig and also some products. I'm using my conditioner. And then I've added another swoop because I thought it didn't really look how I wanted it to look, so that middle swoop was needed. So guys, this is how the hair ended up. I cut the hair a little bit shorter because that's how I like it. As you guys can see, the hair looks so natural. It literally looks like my natural hair, and the curls are really natural. It doesn't look like fake or anything. Really full and just really good quality hair. So shout out to DSoar hair. Thank you guys for sending me this beautiful wig. Make sure you guys go check them out, guys. I'm gonna have all the links in the description box down below. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.